myself Akash and today's my topic is the e-commerce. E-commerce is the short of the electronics commerce and refer to the buying and selling to the good and the services interact to the heads the transformation by user way to business and operation now to the consumer to the from it is the humble beginners into the 1990s the shopping and platform we was to the today e-commerce is the become of the current store of the global e-commerce. The evolution of the e-commerce. E-commerce is the started to the within the advent of the internet and within the first online store in the mid 1990. Is the over of the time technologies advancement and increasing to the interact to the platform and to the changing consume performance have to the field growth and main list of the evolution of the e-commerce including 1995 Amazon and the eBay launch of the flooring online marketplace is the early 2000 is the introduced to the payment gateway of the PayPal enhancing to the transaction of the security. 2010 is the race of the mobile e-commerce m-commerce and within the smartphone and the apps. 2020 is the interact to the artificial intelligence AI argument related and ER is the blockchain e-commerce platform. The types of the e-commerce. E-commerce can be the category of the into the types of the based on the natural transaction. The business to consumer is the compile sale and the directly consume to the through online and the platform example be including the Amazon and Flipkart. The second is the business to business is transaction occurs and the between business such as the web whole lasers and the selling to the related algebra prime examples and the consume to the sell other the consume through the platform like eBay and it's and consume to business in is the individual sales product and the services of the business such as the free launch of the platform like Upwork. To government business to provide to the goals and services to the government in ties of the mobile e-commerce is the consist with mobile devices e-commerce and the all of the above categories. The key of the components e-commerce, the operation of the efficiency e-commerce platform and real services of the components and the website or app. The primary of the interface and the interaction to the occurs to the including the product and category search of the functional and the user friendly aligned to the payment gateway and the faculties the secure online transaction of the e-commerce payment data the logical of the data and delivery e-commerce timely delivery of the product and the customers the market of the advancing and strategy like SEO email marketing and the social media the components to the attract to the relating customer is the support of the chatbot FAQs and the support is the teams of the address customer queries and the analytics of the data management tools and the track user behavior sales trades and the other key matters. The advantages of the e-commerce is the numeric and benefit the business of the commerce alike to the global and the research to the business and the research customer worldwide and without the physical store with the global and research to the business research to the customer shop to the enhance to the government and the customer efficiency reduce to the overhead and the consist of the component block and the another store the parameterize the totally e-commerce is the best of the performance to the browsing to the history the wide product and the range of the access to the border and say selection of the product then the physical and store to the changing of the, in e-commerce and there is cybersecurity data is the breakers and the for understand to the trust logical support chain deploy demand and the impact to customer satisfaction impact to the digital marketplace highly competitive requirement consistency innovation of the technical gateway website domain payment and failure can be lead to the lost sales regularly compared to the othering logger loss and the recovery different reason technology of the powering and e-commerce modern e-commerce platform large of the cutting age of the technologies. Artificial intelligence of the power of the chatbot and the personalized recommendation of the domain and the forecasting. Blockchain is the enhanced of the transaction and security transactions.